In today's busy world, we've worked relentlessly to produce perfect cars to conquer every road, offer excellent services and values to our clients, keep up with the latest trends which affirm the potential, the talent, and the wisdom of Vietnam, bring our clients new experiences of a dynamic, creative, and classy life. Together, we live life to the fullest. We are Cong Group. Cong Group, formerly known as Cong Mechanics Limited, was set up in 1999 with the mission of becoming the leading auto manufacturer in Vietnam. In 2004, the first auto assembly plant was launched in Da Nang. In 2008, Cong Engineering Limited Company became Cong Group Joint Stock Company. In June 2009, Hyundai Cong Joint Stock Company was officially established. Cong Group became an official partner of Hyundai Motor Company for the manufacture and distribution of cars in Vietnam. An international technical transfer agreement was signed between Hyundai Cong Joint Stock Company and Hyundai Motor Company in September 2009. In 2011, construction of the auto assembly plant in Ninh Binh was complete and had begun formally operating at the first stage. Also, the Cong building was completed and became the headquarters of the group. 2014 marked the 15th anniversary of Cong Group's foundation and the receiving of the third-class labor order. In 2016, the construction of the passenger car and bus factory with the most modern production line in Southeast Asia began. At the same time, the R&D department began construction in Ninh Binh. In 2017, the joint venture agreement with Hyundai Motor Company was signed. After nearly 20 years of development, Cong Group has become one of the top investment, trade, industry groups in Vietnam, with thousands of people working in more than 20 subsidiaries. The production, distribution, and assembly of vehicles are the main activities of Cong Group. With a strategic vision and sustainable development attitude, together with the governmental development strategy for the car industry, which aims at improving the localization rate, and the base of a long-term collaboration with Korea's Hyundai Motor Group, the company actively negotiated with Hyundai Motor Company to develop an investment portfolio on automobile and supporting industries in Ninh Binh. The total area of the current factory will be expanded to 100 hectares, which is suited for the investment and development size of the group. The estimated value of the total investment is nearly $460 million. Every year, 200,000 cars of various types will enter the market after the year 2021. The investment portfolio in Ninh Binh includes the manufacturing zone of cars, the manufacturing of passenger cars and buses, the Center of Research and Development, the development zone of supporting industries. As the only partner of Hyundai Motor Company in Vietnam since 2009, Cong Group not only distributes and assembles Hyundai cars, but is also the manufacturing center of Hyundai for the ASEAN market. The key products manufactured are small-capacity motor cars. Therefore, localization rates have increased to comply with the government declarations and the export standards of regional markets. Commercial car and bus manufacturing is planned on a 50-hectare area with an expected capacity of 10,000 cars per year for both passenger cars and buses, and 8,000 minibuses per year. The ED paint line of the factory can also meet the further capacity of 8,000 minibuses per year. The R&D Center, which currently resides on a 5,000-meter square area, will be the focal point of researching, applying, and developing different motor models of the group. These models will be suited for the traffic and road conditions of Vietnam and use clean and environmentally friendly fuel. While receiving technology and production techniques from partners, the R&D Center will also gradually master technology and set the long-term goal of being able to design and produce vehicles labeled as a brand of Vietnam. The products of the supporting industry zone are parts and components, mechanical products for buses, interior components such as cushion seats or electric wiring, and a welding factory for 16-seat cars. Factories in Ninh are all equipped with the most modern synchronous machines, equipment, and production line in Vietnam to ensure an effective production and assembly process. This is a strong development of the group as well as of the Vietnam automobile industry. Understanding consumer trends, the group is developing a network of over 100 dealers across the state. All dealers will use digital showroom technology and apply GDSI, the latest system of standards from Hyundai Global. As the very first distributor in the world that uses a standard synchronous system for all dealers, Cong hopes to bring to customers totally new and completely different experiences. In the trade services field, Cong Group is boosting the diversification of businesses with good products and service. The services of auto components of the group focus on distributing authentic automotive parts. The group is also a trustworthy partner of big brands like Hyundai Mobis, Doosan Infotor, Shell Lubricants, and Nexen Tire. Planned on an area of 8 hectares, the auto part warehouse of the group is the first warehouse of Vietnam in which all stages are automatized and synchronized to ensure the best speed of supplying auto parts for manufacturing. With hundreds of trucks from famous brands in the world and a large-scale modern warehouse system, the logistics service of Cong is always ready to meet any domestic or export order in a fast, safe, and high-quality way. We apply the greatest effort and efficiency to everything we do. To spread joy, fulfill life, we are always with you. For success followed by success. Cong Group. Together to success. The group is the current supplier of Hyundai elevators, which is a trustworthy choice in many domestic and international construction works. The group also cooperates with Doosan Group to distribute high-class construction equipment to serve projects and construction works across the country. Cong Group is a powerful player in the construction and real estate sector. The group is an investor for a series of nationwide big modern construction projects, such as the 343 to 345 Doikan Luxury Apartment Project, the Shilla Resort Guangnam Project, PD17 Luxury Office Building Project, Cầu Đôi Urban Ecology Project. When these projects come into operation, they'll improve the domestic property market and affirm the potential and enormous strength of Cong on the path to becoming the top private group in Vietnam. Cong understands that the group's strength is the result of the involvement and consensus of every member of the team. While promoting production and business activities, the group works to develop and improve its organizational culture, organizing intensive training courses and exciting team-building activities while creating a friendly, creative, and collaborative working environment. Professionalism is the hallmark of Cong Group. Every idea is built and nurtured together. Every action is strong and decisive for the common benefit of customers, to make every customer become a pioneer soldier on the production front. With a strategic vision, good management, and strong economic potential, Cong Group overcomes many challenges. The group has witnessed strong and stable development. The turnover of the group is continuously growing. Within only 7 years, from 2009 to 2016, the number of Hyundai cars sold have increased by 6 times and ranked second in position on the list of popular car brands provided to the market. The company is always in the top 500 biggest private enterprises in Vietnam. The group is ranked first in 2011 and 2013 in terms of customer satisfaction level when purchasing cars surveyed by JD Power Asia Pacific. In 2014 and 2015, the group received the title Distributor of the Year, awarded by Hyundai Global. The business's consistent motto is customer focus. Thanh Cong always strives to give customers the best products and services. The group also prides itself on charitable activities and social work, such as building kindergartens and primary schools, supporting poor and disadvantaged households, and donating for disaster-affected areas. Thanh Cong has also created thousands of jobs for laborers with policies to encourage the use of local workers in factories and dealers across the country, positively contributing to improve the quality of life for local people and promoting local and social development. Thanh Cong Group set up the goal to become the top corporation in investment, commerce, and industry. In the future, the group will enact policies and solutions to bring more and more values and benefits to its customers, staff, and society. Our desire is to make the Thanh Cong brand a top choice of every customer.
Với khả năng tài chính mạnh mẽ, ổn định cùng đội ngũ nhân sự chuyên nghiệp, tầm nhìn của tập đoàn Thành Công là trở thành tập đoàn đầu tư thương mại công nghiệp hàng đầu Việt Nam. Trên con đường đó, chúng tôi luôn đề cao những giá trị mang lại sự hài lòng cho khách hàng và những lợi ích chung cho cộng đồng.
We apply the greatest effort and efficiency to everything we do. To spread joy, fulfill life, we are always with you for success followed by success. Thanh Cong Group, together to success.